Hi, welcome to Dodds Doors Helpful Tips. Today we're going to troubleshoot how to fix a noisy garage door. Let's get started. Noise can come from many places. First, we'll check the garage door. Place your garage door on manual operation by pulling the red cord. Lift your garage door up, then down. If noise persists, see our video on garage door maintenance to tighten hinges, lubricate springs and rollers on your garage door. Next, reattach your garage door opener. If the noise is coming from the electric opener, try lubricating the rail connecting the door to the operator. If the noise persists, it may be time to install a new garage door opener or call a garage door professional. There's a few simple repairs you can do on your own, but for most issues, give the professionals at Dodds a call. Thanks for watching.